Hello! This purpose of this video is to show you how to solve a 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. Okay, so for our triangle right here, we have a 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. And right now, what we know is that one of the legs is 3 times the square root of 2. So here's how a 45, 45, 90 degree triangle works. If 1 is equal to each of the legs, then the hypotenuse is going to be the square root of 2. So basically what we're going to do is bring whatever the leg is and put it in front of the square root of 2. And every time with the 45, 45 degree, or 45, 45, 90 degree triangle, both of the legs are going to be equal to each other. So right now we know that y is also going to be 3 times the square root of 2. So now we're going to want to find our hypotenuse, and remembering that all we're going to do is put the leg in front of the square root of 2. So now we have 3 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. Now we have 3 times the square root of 4, and we know that the square root of 4 is equal to 2, so now we're going to multiply that by 3. So now we have that 6 is equal to x, which is our hypotenuse. So now we have y is equal to 3 root 2, and x is equal to 6. So we have this one figured out. Now I'm going to show you how to solve a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So right here we have a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. And what we know is that the short leg is equal to 2. So now let me show you how these rules work. Okay, so if our short leg is equal to 1, then our long leg is going to be equal to the square root of 3, and then so how we get that is we just put the number of the short leg and put that in front of the long leg, and the hypotenuse is going to be double what the short leg is. So in this case 1 times 2, so that's our hypotenuse. So right here we know that our short leg is equal to 2. So to find our long leg, which is v right here, we're going to want to put 2 in front of the square root of 3. So right now we know that v is equal to 2 times the square root of 3. Okay, so now we're going to want to find our hypotenuse, which is u right here. And how we find our hypotenuse is, remember, by doubling 2 right here, or the short leg. So now we have 2 times 2, which is 4. So that is equal to u. Okay, so now we have that v is equal to 2 times the square root of 3, and u is equal to 4. Okay, so this was how to solve a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle and 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. I hope this helped you. Thank you.